Hey everyone! So in today's video, we're going to see how you can connect Claude to your YouTube channel. And if you have a website or blog, how to connect that too. Once connected, Claude can automatically guide you for your YouTube videos. And for your WordPress site, it can write your blog posts and publish them on its own. Let me show you. In the Connectors section, I've already connected my website and YouTube. Let's start with WordPress first. Go to your WordPress dashboard and click on Add Plugins. In the search bar, type Easy MCP Tool. Make sure you type it exactly like that. Once you find it, install it. After installing, you'll see it in your sidebar. Just activate it. Now open it. You'll see the AI Provider section, and right there, you'll find the Claude Connector. Click on it. A warning message will pop up. Just ignore it. Don't change anything, and click Add. Wait a few seconds. You'll then see a Connect button. Click on that, and you're connected. Now it'll ask what access you want to give your website. I'm going to select Full Access, because when we're not around and the AI is working on its own, it needs full permission to write good content. So I'll select Full Access and hit Approve and Continue. Now Claude is asking which tool permissions you want to give. First, you'll see the read-only tools. Go ahead and allow those. Claude will just be reading at this point. Scroll down, you'll see Write and Delete sections. Under Write, you'll find the Create options. You can allow those if you want. I'm going to allow them here. You'll see it goes up to Create Terms. I've clicked on Write. Now for the Delete section, I've set everything to Need Approval. Keep all delete options on Need Approval. Scroll down further and you'll see Update and Restore. Keep those on approval as well. At the bottom, there are two upload options. These are for uploading media files, mostly works on desktop. You can set those to approval if you like, or just leave them. Up to you. And that's it. The WordPress connector is now connected. Let me close this. You can see the connector is showing up right here. Now let's set up YouTube. For YouTube, there's a link in the video description. Copy that link and come back here. Actually, let me remove the one I had connected before and show you the YouTube setup fresh. Done. Now paste that URL here in the remote MCP server field. You can type it directly or copy-paste it from the description. Once you've added it, click Add. After a moment, you'll see a Connect message. Click on it. Once it connects, a new page will open. You'll need to sign in first. Let me walk you through this from the beginning. So this is the page you'll see. Once you log in, your email ID will show up here. Now, for YouTube, Claude only gets read access. That means Claude will only read your YouTube channel data. It won't make any edits to your channel. Nothing at all. Basically, Claude can only give you guidance. That's it. Just click Allow Claude, and your YouTube channel will be connected. The permissions you see here are read-only, so go ahead and approve them. All right, so that's how you connect Claude to both your WordPress site and your YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Set it to all so you don't miss anything. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.